Hey guys, my name is Mark Bren Lopez. I welcome you to my vlog. Today I'm gonna be talking about endpoints or end behavior of a polynomial function. Endpoints simply shows what happened at the end of the graph. Either it goes up or either it goes down. So basically what that means is if there are ends of a line and they are going up or down, they are called endpoints. Like this one. There is a line here and there is an end of the line that is going up, so meaning this is an endpoint, and this one also is an endpoint. So now that we know what endpoints are, I'm gonna show you how to get the endpoints. So to get the endpoints, it depends on the degree and the leading coefficient. So for our first equation, our degree here is 4 and 4 is even. Now for our leading coefficient, it is -2, and which is negative. And now we can finally know what the endpoints of the graph is. So since our degree is even, both endpoints should be looking at the same direction. And now what direction would that be? Well, the leading coefficients answer that by negative. So since it is negative, the endpoint should be looking below or at the negative axis. Now I have another example here of a equation. So let's find the endpoint for this equation also. So our degree here is 3, which is an odd number. Now for our leading coefficient, it is also 3 and it is positive. Now this is a bit different from the first equation, since the first equation the degree is even. Now for the second equation, the degree is now odd. So what are we gonna do if our degree is odd? Simple. Both endpoints should be looking opposite of each other. But how do we know which endpoint goes to which direction? We can know that by our leading coefficient, which is positive. So what we should do is the right one should always go first. So the right one is the positive axis. So the right one's endpoint is gonna be y, while the other one will be negative y. And that's it. The endpoints just show us what the graph behaves at the end. And it all depends on degrees, and leading coefficient. Thank you for watching my vlog. See you next time.